Hey, what is up, guys? This is me, Yoshi, and today we're back. And last video, we did a tier list of my favorite Kanto Pokemon. And as you see here, we have a similar tier list. Hey, I forgot to color those. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So, I've got the Johto Pokemon this time. So we've got every Johto Pokemon right here. And we got some new tiers. So we got the same tier list, except instead we've added S+ tier, because you probably know what that is if you've seen the first episode. S+ is obviously really good. S tier is amazing. A+, also amazing, but less design. A is not that much design, but really creative. B is kind of see what they were doing. And then there's B-, which is less great. C-, which is horrible. F is just, I really wish it didn't exist. F- is ew, just go get rid of yourself. Z-, yeah, you already know what that is. Yeah, guaranteed. Alright. So let's start off with Chikorita. Chikorita is F. I don't really like it that much. Bayleaf. C-, it looks cooler, just the weird things on its neck is kind of weird. Meganium, A. I like how they turned into flowers, that's cool. Cyndaquil, A+, it's cute. Quilava, B. I wouldn't probably put it at F, but I like it. Typhlosion, S tier. He is pretty powerful. Totodile. Z-, I don't think he's that adorable. Sorry, it's just, I just think different things. I have different opinions. You go ahead, you guys. Go on to the comment section. You guys can hate on me all you want. Coconut. Coconut. I can't pronounce his name, you guys. B tier for the crocodile. For alligator, it just got much worse. But I gave it F. I gave it F- instead of Z because, I mean, it does have pockets on its knees. That's kind of weird, but I just don't like it. It looks like Totodile, except way fatter and way bigger. But I do have tons of shinies in Go. Sunstret. It's kind of cute, but B-. Furret. I'm glad that it learns Hyper Beam, but why? And why Furret? That's just an original animal. Furret is based off of, well, a furret. But A+ for Hoot Hoot. Noctowl's kind of cool, but C- or B- because, I don't know. Ladybug. A+, it's kind of cute. Latiine. Don't get me wrong, those eyes though. Those eyes, S tier. For sure. Spinarak. I mean, I do have a fear for spiders, but man, he is adorable. A+. And I like how his abandonin, this thing over here where my cursor's pointing, actually uses that as a face. Kind of creepy, but still cool. And I just noticed that thing doesn't even have 8 legs. How is it a spider? Anyway, Ariados. Same concept with Spinarak. It only has 7. Really close to a spider. So I'll give him F, but I like him. I like his cry, so B-. Now you gotta go to C- with Bayleaf. Crobat S plus. He is awesome. And yeah, there's a lot of Pokemon that I'm probably gonna put up there because I like all designs from Johto. Chinchou, go to S. Lantern, also Lustanus, because it's basically the same thing. Now, I'm gonna put all babies in the same one. They're just not anything new, except Pichu. It goes to B, while the rest are at C minus. Sorry, you guys. It's just, I don't know. I don't know who would want baby Pokemon. I mean, I get they're cute, but come on, why would you want baby Pokemon? They're gonna be harder to get their final evolutions later on. Anyway, Togetic. I really wish it got its evolution sooner, because now, once you look at it now, it looks kind of dumb compared to Togekiss. If it was in the same generation, I would probably put it at B, but nah, you gotta go to F minus. Sorry, but Game Freak made you that way, Togetic. It's not me. Not two. Natu, Naruto, B minus, whatever. It's just a bird that looks like a ball. It's weird. Xatu, S plus. That thing is amazing. Mareep. I mean, I feel kind of bad that it's being replaced with another sheep Pokemon in Sword and Shield. Yeah, I've seen the trailer, but I think it still deserves a little bit of some respect. B. Hello. Hold on 1 second again. Alright. Well, and speaking of Sword and Shield, if you guys really want to see me play it, just let me know here in the comment section. I will totally do that. I will do that for you guys. You just want to do that. I know this video does not get any likes, but what was that? Oh, it's just a TV. Alright, give me 3 likes on this video if you think I should do a Sword and Shield playthrough. Alright, Flaffy. Less adorable, but it's still kind of cute. Ampharos. Somehow I'm putting that on the S plus tier. It is amazing. Ampharos is mega though, even better. It even makes Ampharos go to the S tier. Sorry, Ampharos. Your mega is too cool. Blossom feels kind of powerful, so I'm gonna put him in B tier. Sorry, you don't belong in the S tier. The S plus tier, that is. Meryl. Kind of considered as a baby Pokemon, so put him with the rest. A Sumeryl, on the other hand, though. A tier, it's just a rabbit. I don't think it deserves any more than A tier. Sudowoodo, I mean, it's probably gonna get an evolution sooner, but I'm only putting it on A plus tier just so I could get it an evolution. Polito. Man, this thing is adorable compared to the rest. S plus for sure. Hoppip. Yeah, I'll go leave you an F. Hey, 2 grasses. Skip home. Maybe a B tier. I can see where they're going with this. Jump off. Oh. Okay. Eldegoss is better. Also, I'm putting Skiploom A now. And Jumpluff B minus. Apom. This thing is so cool. I don't even care if it got its evolution in Sinnoh. I don't really I don't really mind. But I still wish it got it sooner. Anyway. Sunkern, though, is F tier, because it's just a sunflower seed. I mean, sure, it's just a seed. What could you want more? Pokemon is a game about animals and monsters, not plants. So why would you consider a seed as a monster? Whatever. Sunflora. Kind of cute. Wait, is that shiny? Is that Sprite for a shiny? Yeah, I don't know why. Yanma. Now, a lot of people really like Yanma, but I'm going to put it in F- because I really like Yanmega. And I really wish it got it sooner. And in Pokemon Go, it took a long time to get Yanmega. It makes me really hate Yanma. Z-. But I still like it, so it goes F. Booper. Kinda ugly, but still C. Quagsire. It's just a Wobbuffet with a blue tail and it has an extended mouth. Its 3D sprite makes its mouth go up. And it just made itself go up to the S+ tier somehow. But its mouth needs to extend much higher. Alright, Espeon. I really, really like Espeon. S+. I don't even have a description. Umbreon, also S+. That amazing is amazing. And I like it shiny so bad. Murkrow, whatever. There's a lot of Pokemon I can't pronounce today. Man, I am not pronouncing things correctly. Anyway, Slowking. It's kind of dumb. Kind of fat, and there's a thing around it that's just weird. Mischievous, F- because it definitely deserves its evolution, Mismagius. But I don't really like it anyway, so B-. Oh, Unknown. First of all, I started to really like Unknown's design. But now I realize that it does terrible at battle. F. C-. Never mind. He wanted to go down. Also, this is the A Unknown. Wobbuffet. S+ tier. Yeah, you gotta go to F. I mean S. That's S. Sorry, I'm not pronouncing things correctly. Wobbuffet. Alright, let me explain about this, you guys. You're probably gonna be mad about it, but I like Wobbuffet. I really like him. Like, it doesn't learn too much. It only has like 8 moves that it can learn. Come on, you guys. Is Wobbuffet that bad? I mean, even Team Rocket used it, along with their Meowth. And I know, you guys told me in the comment section, in the anime, they did an experiment to make Meowth talk. Which, now that I see that, that's kind of weird. Like, what episode did that happen? When did that happen? Anyway, so, Girafarig? I mean, it does learn Psychic Fangs, which is a signature move of an Alolan Pokemon, which is pretty ugly. You'll see it's Bruxish, but I like Psychic Fangs. It's weird. It's a weird move. It does not make any sense, but on Girafarig, it makes way more sense. I really wish its evolution had 2 heads because, you know, here's a really useless fact, by the way. Giraffe, if you took that word backwards, you would have giraffe. It'd be the same thing on the other side. Yeah, I don't really know how that works, but, that's weird. Pinecone. He's just a pinecone. And his name says it too. Weird. Fortress. I really like its cry and its shiny, so S tier. Dunsparce. I'm really confused with this Pokemon. I'm just confused. I know it's just a tiny baby dragon with stubby little wings that's a normal type, and I don't know. If you play Ultra Sun or Moon or something, I don't know if it evolves into Grandpa or if it's just a non-evolutionary Pokemon. I cannot resist my curiosity. I don't know what to do with this thing. I don't know where to put it. So I'm just gonna leave it down here. Sorry, Dunsparce. Let me know in the comment section below if where you think I should put Dunsparce. And I'm just gonna leave him down there. Gligar will be a B. Because its shiny reminds me of Aerodactyl. Steelix. Alright. I see what they did with Onix. And I remember putting Onix in F tier. So I'm gonna do the same with Steelix. But he's much cooler, so B. Mega Steelix, on the other hand, A+. Snubble. This thing is just ugly. Adorable. No, not. I'm just joking. It's ugly. It's horrible. Granbull. Okay. I don't know where to start with this thing. Just keep it down there. Quillfish. I like it. I really wish it got a mega or at least one evolution. Scizor. I mean, I like it. It's just pure metal or metal robot bug. Yeah, so let's see this. Mega Scizor. I mean, it looks kind of ridiculous. Like, it looks kind of weird. It doesn't really look fitting to me. It does not fit on my eyes. My eyes do not wish to see that. Shuckle. I only like it because of its shiny. Same with Fortress. Heracross. I really like it because he's regional in Pokemon Go. And I want one. Mega Heracross. Makes me really want him. Sneasel. F- because he's kind of ridiculous. I mean, sure, he's an ice type and he's powerful and all, but come on, he's not that cool. Teddiursa, I'm gonna say he's kind of adorable. B. And I like its shiny. Ursaring, same here, S tier. And its shiny kind of reminds me of Shrek. I don't know why. It's probably just me. A tier for Slugma. Macargo. He's hot. Literally, because he's on fire. Swinub. This thing is adorable. And when he sniffs everywhere, it's just... Piloswine. Paloside. I can't. Caloside? Oh, I just said the new region. I just said one of the regions. Z-. I think it's... Nah, C-. Corsola. This thing is adorable, but B. Yeah. Keep him there. Remoraid. I did have one in Pokemon Ultra Sun. And And artillery, I do, like I said, I have one in Ultra Sun. But it's really cool since it has a signature move called Octazooka. That name just sounds extremely powerful, and it lowers accuracy, which is really, really cool. Delibird. Where do I even start with this? I'll probably put him in A+ because usually when I use Present on him, it doesn't get the heal. It gets the really lucky stuff. It's like playing the Wheel of Fortune. You get some money, or you'll lose all of your money. Bad sign. I think it's really cute when it swims with Remoraid. It's gotta go with B. Scarmony. Ew. This thing is ugly. This thing is just trash. If it got an evolution, 2 evolutions, and a Mega, then I would like it better. Houndour. How is this thing cute? It is not cute. Howdo. This thing is even worse. Howdo Mega. I mean, it is in pain, so I gotta put him in A tier with Mega Scizor, because Pokedex Entry states that he's being hurt by his feet, which makes no sense. Kingdra. It's basically Octillery, except stronger, with the Dragon type added. And it has Octazooka as well. It makes no sense. It's a seahorse, not an octopus. Therapy. F tier. Donphan. This Pokemon is really fat, but I'll keep him in B tier. Just to be generous. Porygon 2. I gotta put him in the second slot because Porygon 2. Stapler. Lots of people don't like it, but I like it. I've always been. What is that? What is that thing on its butt? Is that a third butt? Is that a third butt? Or is it its tail that got inflated? Smeargle. He's just brushing his tail and brushing his tail. Brushing, and brushing, and making some paint. And he probably plays Splatoon. A tier for Tyrogue. A S tier for Hitmontop. I'm gonna put a C. Gotta put him with the babies. Whooper, get over here. Gotta put them with the babies. Gotta put them with the babies. Milk Tank. Now, lots of people hate Milk Tank, but I think it's actually kind of weird, but I'll take it. Blissey. Just because it has a really high XP rate. I just want to kill those Blissies so bad so I can get them XPs. And my Pokemon will be at level 100 at no time. Raikou. Kinda ugly and tame. It looks very intimidating. I think it looks powerful. Suicune. I like how it has that crystal on its head. And it just looks cool with that. Larvitar. Gotta put them with... Is Larvitar even a baby? C-. Pupitar. I mean, it doesn't make sense that he's a pupa and that's a larva. Larvas are supposed to be worms. Like Dunsparce. So, Tyranitar, though, he's cool. And, yeah, I don't really know how else to explain him. Mega Tyranitar, though, yeah, I don't know how to explain. It's kind of weird. It has the same back as Larvitar, and it has a face. It's just weird. And Lugia, on the other hand, my very first shiny legendary in Go, and my only one so far. Hello. Could have changed a little bit more. Has those things on its head, which makes it really weird. Celebi, I can't wait to get it one in Go. So, that's my tier list for all these Pokemon. And where do you think poor Dunsparce should go? Let me know, guys. Let me know if it should be in the C- tier, F tier, or F-, F tier, C- tier, B- tier, B tier, A tier, A plus tier, S tier, or the S plus tier. Which you guys are probably not going to ever say for that. I'm not going to want that, so let me know where you guys think he should be. Save this Dunsparce. See you guys later. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Please give me a spot to sit on. I want to be included too. Okay, goodbye.